Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw any fashion figure easily. So let's get started together. First of all, I just open a screen size, and just because I want to choose the figure with you, I didn't choose them before, and now I'm going to Pinterest to find some figures, and I'm going to draw two of them today very easily. Yep, download image. Here is one, and I like them to be I don't really want them to standing straight up. I like them to having a real figure and doing something. Maybe I pick this one for the other one. Then download image, and that's it. So now I go back to Procreate. I bring two of them to this page. I just press on add, insert photos, and both of them needs to come here today. Also, for having this with no background, I can go back to pictures, open it first, hold it, and whenever it's removable like this, then go back to Procreate and just leave it. Here you can resize, and the good thing about it is you straight away take it with no background. So here is one, and I add another layer and add the other one. So again, I go back to photos, this one, then just hold it. When it's freeform, just leave it here, and now you're able to change the size and everything. Then I just get rid of this snapping for now because it doesn't let me to move it wherever I want to. So I think it's good enough. Now we can start together. So for now, I just hide this second layer. I add another one and bring it here. Also, just to not mixing them, I am going to rename them at the moment. So I just put a first picture, and this one's second picture, and even this one, just change it to sketch. I think I would like to change my pencil because I wasn't really happy with that. I think this is a better one, or I try HP. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so let's get started from the head. So whenever you're happy with your pencil, then just start it. So first of all, I think let me change the opacity of the picture, and now we can draw. So this is head, which has made from a circle and a kind of triangle underneath. That's it. And then there is neck. So now there is a bigger shape here. You can draw it as a circle, as a rectangle, however you feel more comfortable with. Okay, so, and here is the hip, and this is the spine. So now we have legs, which is, I'm going to draw it just with a very simple line at the moment. So this is the back leg, and this one is the front one. And then we've got arms. It doesn't really, there is no difference even if you're doing it in your sketchbook. It's still the same. It doesn't really matter if you're doing digital or on your iPad. So always is same method for beginners to draw any figure easily. So now whenever I'm done, I just move it to the side. Now we can have a look and see if everything is clearly done. So I just change the opacity now, and we can basically see everything. So now I just add another layer and put this, rename it to outline. Because now I'm going to draw around the muscle and everything and doing the outline in a better way. So this was just a very basic shapes just to find out the figure and how it's standing. So now I still use the same pencil. I reduce the opacity of previous one, and now it is time to do my best. So I start from head again. Then you just copy whatever you see. Wherever you see muscles or any calves, you just try to do it in your best way. So this time I'm still going to have some instruction because I'm not going to do the outline straight away. I'm still going to draw it a bit 3D. So here is the arm. If you need to do any change, this is the time. Now I realized that I did draw the arm very short, so now I'm going to make it better. And then here is the hand. Okay, and the other arm starts from here. So you don't still have to draw all the details, just try to do as much as you can. Then now it's hip and legs. So imagine this is one of the knees here. Then This is the leg, and the other one, which is behind this one. Okay, what I think is, so far it's successful because we can exactly see the shape, and we can see how similar is the figure. So now I think it's time to do the outline and finish it. So we add another layer, reduce the opacity of this one, and I think we can even hide the previous sketch because we don't really need these lines anymore, just to get less confusion. So now at this stage we can also draw the dress as well. So what I'm gonna do now is just using the same pencil and going around the body. What I'm gonna do is just reducing the previous one even more, just to be able to see this new lines even better. So yes, now I'm going to draw the dress as well. This is the top part, or the corset. So now we have the base, and we need to draw the skirt part. Just okay, and then the other arm. And here is the hair and everything. And then now it's time to draw the legs. Okay, so now it is the full body with the dress and everything. If you really need to add colors to it, then now it is the time. You can get just eyedrop tool and bring it to the skin or to the dress and start coloring. But if not, if I mean, the aim of this video was only to draw the fashion figure, and also I have added the dress and everything. So if you really need to add everything, just I suggest you to watch my previous videos and see how you can find the exact color and add it to your new sketch. But this is the first figure that I have selected for today's video and how to draw it. Then I'm going to hide the instruction as okay. So now this is the first one, which I'm going to move it a bit, and also I'm going to move the first sketch and bring it in the center. So here is the figure that we could draw it in a few minutes. I really hope I could help with this even a little bit. If you have any suggestion for for future's video, let me know in the comment. And in next video, I'm going to show you how to draw this beautiful one. And maybe we go through the coloring and everything as well. Thanks for watching this one. I really wish that it was useful to you, and see you in next one. Bye.